Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Azir, and this video is going to show you guys how to tune your guitar into open F tuning. This video was requested by Minakshi Saikia. I hope I pronounced that correctly. If not, please forgive me. This is the tuning that Sungha Jung uses in his arrangement named Felicity. And you can also use an alternative tuning, which is the open E tuning. But in that case, you would have to use a capo on the first fret. But for this video, I'm only going to show you guys how to tune your guitar into open F. So let's get started. So for the lowest string, you want to make sure this number over here is about 10. And try not to go past that number, otherwise you will risk damaging your strings. But 10 is totally fine. So the next string, make sure it's like in standard tuning, it's like 0. It's a bit off, but I'll fix that quickly. There. Next string. Make sure it's about -20. Again, about -20. About +10. +10 again. And that's it. Easy. There you have it, open F tuning. I hope this video helped you guys. If so, please like and subscribe. And I'll see you again in the next video. Peace.